Cloud Computing Explained. Part 1. The Invisible City. Imagine opening a business in a city that exists only on a map. The shop is planned, but nothing around it is ready. No street, no power, not even a building you can unlock. Before the first customer arrives, the city needs power, streets, buildings, public safety, and emergency services. They do not run the business, they make it possible. Traditional computing worked the same way. Before the app served one user, the company bought servers, storage, networks, and backups before knowing how much it would need. Cloud flips the order. The infrastructure already exists. Take what you need, use it, and return it when you're done. Cloud also turns computing resources into services. Compute runs code, storage keeps files, networks connect the pieces, and databases organize data. When your app needs more capacity, you request it through a console or an API. It can be ready in minutes. Not months, minutes. Capacity follows demand. When traffic rises, resources scale out, and when traffic falls, they scale back, so you do not pay for empty capacity. The bigger shift is that infrastructure becomes code. Define the machines, storage, network, and scaling rules once. Then deploy the setup again, change it safely, or rebuild it from zero. That shifts responsibility. With infrastructure as a service, the provider supplies machines, disks, and networks, while you manage the operating system and application. Move one step further to platform as a service, and the provider also handles the runtime, patching, and scaling. And at the other end, software as a service is ready to use. Convenience has a price. More control means more responsibility. Hand off more layers, and there is less to operate, but less to customize. The balance depends on the application. That trade-off gives us the first map: compute, storage, networking, data, identity, and observability. Rent them, define them in software, combine them as the application changes. Rented, programmable, composable. In the next episode, we'll dive into compute, virtual machines, containers, and serverless. There are 3 different ways to answer one practical question: where does your code actually run? If this made cloud a little clearer, subscribe to follow the series. I'll see you in the next episode.